Hi, my name is Jean and this is my channel, Learn with Jean. In today's video, I'm going to talk about AI tools specifically within Descript to help you improve the clarity and quality of your video, your podcast, or your project. So this video is part of their May promotion. So in case I'm not disclosing why I'm making this video, there is a $150 promotion for sharing this video. And I thought this would be a great opportunity to share how the feature that is called Ask AI, Edit for Clarity, can help you edit your podcast, remove any filler words, and save you time because now you have a faster editor at the speed of your fingertips. This video is going to give you a little overview, and then I'm going to show you from a recent project how you can take advantage and what the benefits are of how this AI Edit for Clarity works. And if you haven't tried Descript, I highly recommend it. You can check out my library of videos up here and get to know why Descript is really my favorite all-in-one, not just content creation, editing, and creation tool, but I also use it for collaboration with clients and so much more. So go ahead and check out the link in my description below and give Descript a try. So let's get started. I'm going to use a recent project that I have created already in Descript and show you an edited version and how I can take an edited version and continue to edit for clarity. So if you are new to Descript, this is you can take any project which you can create from scratch, or you can use an existing project. And so what I did was I took this existing project that I've already edited to remove filler words, but now I want to see if the AI can continue to make this video a little bit more clearer and succinct, because sometimes we can be wordy and we can kind of like ramble and we have a lot of extra words and sentences to make our videos longer. And so with Descript's Ask AI Edit for Clarity, we are going to test out how they took my already edited filler words and clarify this video some more, so that people who are watching this on YouTube will get a very clear direction of where this video is headed. So what I've done is, so now that, as you can see, I already have this project. Now all the filler words have been removed with the remove filler words tools in here. Under actions, you can see that there's a lot of filler words, shortened word gaps, but specifically because I'm going to show you the Edit for AI feature, which is really cool. I'm going to take advantage of this Ask AI and have them edit for clarity. So they're going to take my already edited and removed filler words project and continue to enhance it so that it is more helpful, more clear and succinct and to the point. Now I'm going to go and click on Ask AI, and I'm going to give this Edit for Clarity a try. So click on Edit for Clarity and say I want this edited down to remove any like repetitive words or any repetitive statements. And then once I read this to make sure I know what they're doing, then I'll click on this arrow to let them think and work their magic over this project. So this will take a little bit of time. Remember, the machine is being programmed and it may not always work as fast as we like. So we have to be a little patient. It will work at different speeds depending on the computer, depending on the processor you're on. As you can see, AI is thinking, and I'm just going to pause it and then while it's working and then show you what it's like in the end result. Okay, now the Edit for Clarity is done and it's summarizing and telling me where my video can be shortened and succinct. And I may need to spend some time reviewing these edits before I apply them to this project. And instead of applying these changes because I need to review it, I can just say copy edits to a new composition. And then this will allow me to copy the edits to a new composition. Once this is done, I can see the suggestions from the AI and maybe review these changes from the AI and decide how much of it I want to use. If I click on this arrow, I can see these are the AI edits. And then if I want to change the name, I click on this and can change this name. You can see anything that was crossed out is their feedback. And I'm just going to take this time to review whether I like it or not. And then if I don't like this, I can just click on this eraser and have them restore that word. So that's just a quick overview of how the Ask AI Edit for Clarity works. Check it out and see if this is helpful for you. This is good to sort of have a second pair of eyes on my project to give me feedback and to review and serve as a second editor. This is going to be really helpful if you're doing any kind of podcast, because when we're doing long forms of content, we tend to talk a lot. We tend to give a lot of context, and maybe sometimes it's too much context and it doesn't really get to the end message. And that's where the Ask AI Edit for Clarity can help us make our podcast and any kind of project or content much more succinct and clear. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you have questions or feedback about this video, and give it a try and let me know if you like it or not.